Hello everyone, do you know that 81% of businesses or companies uses affiliates? Top affiliates are making over $100,000 in commission without creating their own product or services. Just last year alone, 17 billion naira was generated in the industry as a revenue. So before you click away thinking this is another get rich quick thing, no, it is not. It's a proven business model that pays you while you sleep. So I've been able to leverage your needs and earn income or commission while I'm asleep. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can equally do the same and get the same result. Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, my name is Henry. Hit the bell notification, subscribe to this channel so that when next I post amazing videos like this, YouTube will get to notify you. Over the past 2 years, I've been able to build a passive income source that pays me while I sleep, with affiliate marketing being one of my most consistent passive income sources. Here is literally where it gets so exciting. You can start today with zero experience, zero followership, and zero technical skill. However, this is what most gurus won't tell you. Affiliate marketing isn't just about throwing links and expecting other people to click on it so that you make a commission. No. It requires 3 critical components: is trust, value, and strategic placement. And here is where it gets exciting. Physical products usually pay between 5% to 15%. Digital products like ebook, software, and courses. From affiliate network like ClickBank, JVZoom, Warrior Plus, and even Fiverr affiliate pays over 75% in commission. If you are new here, my name is Henry. Subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification, and share this video so that others can equally benefit from it. And what is this affiliate marketing all about? I want to let you know what affiliate marketing is all about so that all of us can be at the same page. Affiliate marketing is about you acting as a salesperson to a company. You promote their product or service, and then when other people get to click that very link, which is what we call unique link or affiliate link, you earn a commission. But here is the mistake most beginners do. They try to promote everything to everyone, which is a recipe for failure. Instead, you have to do this professionally, which is what I'll be showing you in my next video. So, if this video helped you, consider subscribing to this channel. Turn the bell notification, equally share. It encourages YouTube to show the video to some other persons who need this information. And you don't equally get to miss out in my next video, where I'll be showing you how to select a profitable niche and a profitable product to promote so that you can as well make commissions, and how to drive targeted traffic to your affiliate links or unique links. Thanks for watching, then see you in my next video. Bye.